Hello, my name is Dr. Stephen Eisenstadt, and for over 30 years I've offered the Introduction to Dream Tending workshop each summer for 2 days. This year, though, because of what's going on in the world, we've decided to put it on Zoom and extend it worldwide. In fact, we just did this 3 months ago and we had such an extraordinary response that we've decided to do it yet again, October 17th and 18th. Now, what I'll be doing is covering 3 or 4 different things. First, the tools of how to remember dreams, and then second, the common dream themes like flying and falling, finding valuables, being chased, and so many more. And two, we'll look at nightmares and notice not just the terror or the anxiety that comes from that, but also the generative spark in each dream, in each nightmare, that fuses our generativity and creates a more exceptional sense of well-being and informs our life purpose. Now this year we have something special. It's called Dream Share, which means that people even before the workshop can send in their dreams, either written or via tape. And what we'll do is look at those themes and then offer you back some open-ended questions to explore and deepen your consideration. At the time of the workshop, I'll be working with the common themes that are coming forward in the community setting. Now, in the community, each person will not only watch me work with dreams, demonstration, and in addition share the tools and the skills of working, but also you'll be able to personalize. That means you'll be able to work with another person and really have a first-hand experience of the dreams. I'll demonstrate first, then you can try on the skills and see how they work for you. We've had great success with this. I look forward to seeing you there again, October 17th and 18th. You can register right below. And if you do so today, I'll send you a special toolkit on how to begin the work with working with dreams. Okay? I hope to see you there. Simply register below. Be well.